Hi, Cicada class. I'm your prettiest teacher. Teacher Sue. The reason why I emphasized prettiest is because 这个跟我们之前学过的那个我们刚考完试的那个课文有关哦。Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Okay? Pretty, 比较级，最高级。Let's see if you know how to spell prettiest. 我之前在 video 里面其实有讲过这个字哦。Alright, 那如果我们用最高级的话，前面 like before prettiest 要加什么呢？ Alright, so today is Monday, November 11th. Today is Monday, November 11th. Yeah, this day, I don't remember us Taiwanese people celebrating it. 11月11号，其实我刚刚还上网查了一下，说为什么现在好像11月11号要庆祝，好像 it's a holiday. Apparently, all this November 11th came from China. Alright, 所以双十一节它是1111，就代表说那时候 I guess in China 有很多人是单身的嘛，然后那些单身的人就会聚集在一起，然后在一起就那天晚上就会就是庆祝他们单身，就 Oh my God, I can't believe I'm single 这样子，然后结果那个商业的那些 business people 啊，就开始动脑筋了，想说Why don't we make this a 双十一购物节？因为很多单身的男女生，他都会在家里也不知道干嘛 ，so all they can do is like shop, online shop. So I guess 那些就是商业人士 they try to make business, make money out of this, and so they develop this 双十一节。所以在这一天呢，你就可以上网看到很多的网站都在 big sale 大拍卖。So I just thought that was pretty interesting to know. We don't celebrate this in the US at all. November 11th is not a special day, not any holiday in the US. But I guess in Taiwan, it is a big shopping day. By the way, I forgot to say, 我的素宝们上课咯! Okay, the reason why my hair is like this is because I'm waiting for my mom to cut my hair. Yes, my mom cuts my hair. She's a very good stylist. She's not professional, 她不是职业的，可是 but you know, mom knows how to do everything. My mom knows how to cook. My mom knows how to sew. 又会缝衣服，又会煮饭，又会整理家里，又会帮女儿剪头发。It's like she's like superwoman. So I'm waiting for her to cut my sides right here and then to cut my bangs. So that's why you see my hair like this, tied up really weirdly. All right, so we still have class to do. So let's get started right away. So in the last video, I was a bit disappointed in all of you, mainly because some students in class forgot their books. And I made a promise to you guys last time saying that if everybody brings their books for 4 classes, 4堂课，连续2个礼拜，3本书都带的话，那 Teacher Sue 要给你们一个大恭喜加上大奖励啊 ，Alright， 所以我们又试了第2次，又归零了，我们没有出去第一步过 ，Alright， 又有人忘记课本了，课本没有那么难忘记啦 ，Just bring those 3 books again, like I said, again and again. If you're gonna forget your books, leave them at school. Okay, so you can go get it when we have Cicada class, okay? Bringing your books is so important. That's like the most basic thing, plus your pencil, plus your eraser. That's like the most basic things to bring to school. And if you're gonna forget it, like I said before, check your backpack the day before. It is not heavy. This is not heavy, all right? These books are not heavy. This is pretty light for me, all right? See? Pretty light for a girl, so I'm sure everybody could do it. All right, enough about saying, to bring your books. I did grade all of your tests. However, I'm not done yet. 考试的部分我有改全部。那我必须要说，那个后面的部分啊，真的我有跟你们讲过，单字很重要。The vocabulary words are really, really important. Some people did very well, only a few mistakes, like 2 or 4 mistakes, 2 to 4 mistakes. But some of you 有到错20分。Alright， 所以我就觉得有点夸张，因为那个都是单字。那我上一次已经跟你讲 ，can 是最 easy、the simplest grammar word to know, grammar pattern to know. Can she sing? Yes, she can. No, she can't. 后面的都是接原形动词 ，can 后面都是接原形动词。你只要有这个概念呢，你的选择题就不太会选错了，除非它是单字的问题，那单字就是你没有背单字啦。Alright， 所以还是有少数的人，错的那个是文法的部分，所以you'll see when you get your test. Okay, you'll see when you get your test. 而且很多人在那个 reading 的部分 the grandpa and taking the grandson to the forest part, 我觉得你没有复习很清楚诶，有一些人都乱猜的哦。Alright, thinking that they have 50% chance of getting it right because it's true and false, but you know 那大题就12分了诶。所以我已经跟你们讲过了 I told you guys many times, you guys have to review that before the test. Like at least read it over 2 times. Alright, so we are going to start with the Spotlight Reading Book today. Spotlight Reading Book, because we're going to talk about grammar, so get that book ready. So Spotlight Reading Book time. Everybody, please go to page 40. We're going to start off with adjectives, 形容词。所以这个整页都是在讲说形容词在句子里面是怎么用的。So there are a bunch of them here, so I want you to say it with me. Alright, so repeat what I say. Tall. Short. Big. Small. Good. Bad. Fat. Thin. Hot. Cold. New. Old. Early. Late. Heavy. Light. Happy. Sad. Quiet. Noisy. Beautiful. Ugly. Same. Different. Okay, so these adjectives also have comparatives and superlatives. 这些全部的形容词有它的比较级跟它的最高级哦，除了一个没有的话，除了一个没有，其他的都有它的比较级跟最高级。所以我礼拜3会来问你们说 Do you guys know these comparatives and superlatives? For example, do you know how to say all of them? For example, can you say tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest? Good 是一个特别的哦。You should put a star around it. Good. 这个是我们在不是在 Smart English, 我记错了。English Chest, 我记到我的 Ladybug 班的那个课本。Okay, English Chest Book 里面有哦。Good, better, best, bad, worst. Okay, 我已经这个第一排都已经讲过了。第一排。Alright, so do you know the second column, third column, and fourth column? I'm going to ask you guys on Wednesday to see if you know. Alright? 所以接下来例句 How do you describe a person? For example, you can say, Kevin is tall and thin. Of course. You can say, for example, Waylon is tall and funny. Alright? There's that too. Okay. Dylan is noisy and loud. Alright? So something like that. Jolyn is beautiful and pretty. You know? Alright. So 下面呢当然有它的肯定句跟否定句咯。I'm going to explain that in a bit later. Going to the 肯定句跟否定句。So how this goes is 主词加 be 动词加形容词。我之前不是有跟你讲说一定要把 be 动词全部的都背好吗？还记不记得那个有名的人？ Remember?那个就是全部你的 be 动词。So the sentence will go like this. Benson is happy. Alright? 形容词放在最后。那如果是它的否定呢？否定就是 Benson is not happy. Or you can say isn't happy. That's the positive sentence and that's the negative sentence. Alright, so let's look down some more. Alright? 主词加 be 动词加 an 或者是 the 形容词加名词。我们来看看它的例句。Benson is a happy boy. Yeah, happy describes the boy, right? So that makes sense. Benson 是一个快乐的男孩。Alright, 那它的否定呢 ？Alright, 就是把 is 变成 isn't 而已啊。Benson isn't a happy boy or is not a happy boy. I think this is pretty easy to understand. Just is and isn't. Alright, 例句。She is a short and chubby girl. 那如果要说否定呢 ？She isn't a short and chubby girl, right? Alright, he is not a bad person. Alright, 这个是否定的哦。How do you say the positive sentence? He is a bad person. So not that hard, just is and isn't. 好，那我们要到了疑问句。Time to move on to the 疑问句跟答案。So the pattern goes like this. be 动词加主词加形容词。你想想看嘛 be 动词 is, alright? So is Benson happy? 有 is 的问题就有 Alright, so is Benson happy? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Alright, so is Teacher Sue pretty? Yes, she is. I'm not going to answer the no. Nope, I refuse to answer the no. So yes, she is only. Alright, 那我们再往下面一点看，如果里面再加一个形容词，然后再加一个名词呢？ Is Benson a happy boy? Is 是你的 be 动词 Benson 主词 a happy boy. Okay, happy 形容词 boy 名词 So is Benson a happy boy? No, he isn't. Alright, I don't think it's that hard to understand. Okay, let's look at the example. Are they sad? 如果有两个人的话，当然是要用 they 啊 right? Are they sad? So change is to are. Are they sad? No, they are not. No, they aren't. Or you can say, yes, they are. 所以有 are 的问题就有 OK, 那我们再往下看好了，我觉得这个点你可能要打一颗星 Star it. It's pretty important to know. 形容词的顺序，英文有它的形容词的顺序，你不可以乱摆哦，乱摆他们会觉得说，哦，这个逻辑怪怪的。Alright, so the order goes like this. A, her, his. 所以意见、想法先，在尺寸，在年纪，在颜色，然后在它的名词。Okay, so for example, cute, small, young, black cat. You can say it's a cute, small, young, black cat. All right? Or let's change it around. It's a beautiful, big, old, brown dog. All right? That's the order of the adjectives. Okay, let's look at the example. It's a big black cat. That makes sense. There are a lot of big black cats on the streets in Taipei. I see them all the time when I'm walking home. All right. It is a cute, small, red dog. It is a cute, small, red dog. So that's the order of the adjectives. Okay, so let's get your pencils ready. We are going to do page 41, part of 41 together. Moving on to page 41, I'm going to do the first 3 problems with you. All right, so these deal with adjectives on page 40. So number 1 goes like this. Mary's manager is a nice gentleman. So you got to know what manager is. Manager in Chinese is 经理。所以 Mary 的经理是一个很 nice 的、很友善的一位先生。那到底是 new, different, low 或 long 呢？ OK, 去形容一个经理，那当然不可以乱形容啊。Alright, so all you can say, I think, is okay. I'm saying it kind of quietly. Number 2, she has long blah 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 hair. Alright, again, your choices are chubby, kind, delicious, purple. So hair. In regards of hair, what kind of hair can you have? Duh. Alright. Right? Okay, number 3. The birds are very blah 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 in the morning. 所以 birds 怎么样？ Okay, 在早上 birds 都会这样 Right? So are they dark, hard, noisy, or famous? So I think the most suitable answer is right? That makes sense. Alright, so please do number 4 and 5 by yourselves. Okay, afterwards, let's do one problem of the grammar part. Okay, 第一题我会跟你们一起做，那请你们自己写 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, number 1 goes like this. Is Sandy a short girl? 来，有 is 的问题就有，但是它的答案是 no 哦，所以我不可以用 is， 对不对？ No, she is not right. Okay, 那我要怎么讲呢？ She isn't a short girl. Isn't. Okay, again, I said it very quietly. Now, after writing this, I want you to try 2, 3, 4, and 5 by yourselves. So moving on to page 42, 43, and 44. You know we're going to trade in class, so I need you to do this for homework. Okay, I'll say it again. 42, 43, 44 is for homework. 这样子我们上课礼拜三的时候就直接可以交换改了。我再讲第3遍。42页。43页、44页是功课哦。然后我通常在上课的时候会给你10 minutes， 可是很多人都是差不多8分钟就练习完了。Alright, 16题。Let's see if you can get as many right as possible. Okay, good luck. And please have this done. This is homework. Alright, please have this done. Hey, do you guys like my haircut? Okay, my mom just went and cut my hair. I like the sides of my hair like this. This is called layering. I like it to here, like short, and then all the way gradually become long. All right, this is how I've had this hairstyle for a long time, and I think it suits me well. All right, let's go to the student book, English chest book, student book. Take it out. All right, so let's go to page 30. 第30页，然后这个单元呢，我们会学到你什么时候做一件事情 ，When will you do it and how often will you do it？ 多常做这件事情 ？Again， 我们会学到你什么时候做一件事情，多常做这件事情，所以我们的 frequency of adverbs 又回来了哦。Frequency of adverbs 是比如说 always, usually, sometimes, seldom。Okay, 那个就是 frequency of adverbs. So here we go. There are 6 vocabulary words. Let's say it together. Tired, tired. Worried, worried. Bored, bored. A quarter to, a quarter to. Half past, half past. A quarter past, a quarter past. Okay, the last 3 vocabulary words is telling about time. It is another way to tell time, and still a lot of American people use this way to say time. So the easiest way you have probably learned is, for example, what time is it? If I say 8点半, you might think it's 8:30. 这个是最简单的说法, right? It's 8:30. So a lot of Americans might say it's 8:30. It's 8:30. Alright, so I want you to know both ways. 两种方法都要知道。万一如果真的你遇到一个外国人是这样跟你讲时间的话，那你就会知道啊。You want to be like, what? What'd you say? I don't know. Alright, so you gotta learn them all. 全部都要学。Alright, B 大题. Let's go to the question and answer. Do you stay in a hotel sometimes? Do you stay in a hotel sometimes? Yes, we usually stay in a hotel when we take a vacation. OK, 问题的意思就是你有时候会待在饭店吗？对吗？我们大家出去玩一定都会待在饭店或民宿。Alright, yes, we usually stay in a hotel when we take a vacation. So when 在这个答案是当 OK, 当你去度假的时候，我们通常都会住一个旅馆，一个饭店。Right? That's common sense. Alright, number 2. Sorry, 刚刚被卡掉了，因为 my phone was telling me I only have 20% battery left, and then it had a sign, and then it stopped the video. Alright, so I'm going to question 2. Okay, when do you wear warm clothes? When do you wear warm clothes? Answer, we usually wear warm clothes when it's cold. We usually wear warm clothes when it's cold. 所以这个问题就是你什么时候会穿暖和的衣服呢？ Well, now it's kind of fall, going on to winter in Taiwan. So when do you wear warm clothes? Okay, we usually wear warm clothes when it's cold. 当然啦，duh. 当天气冷的时候，我们当然会穿比较暖和的衣服啊 right? Okay, so moving on to page 31. I changed my look again. Yes, I'm in glasses because my contacts were really dry, so I decided to change it and put on glasses. It's much more comfortable that way. So I'm going to move on to page 31. And this is a dialogue between Max and Amy. And let's see what they're talking about. So let's say it together. Ready? Get set. Go. Are you ready for the dodgeball game? Well, I practice every day. Look, that's great. You can throw very well. Yes, I can't throw well when I'm fine, but I throw badly when I'm tired. Me too. Look, it's 9:45. We should go. It's okay. The game starts at 10:30. So there are a few words here I don't know if you know. For example, I can throw well when I'm fine, but I throw badly when I'm tired. 这个你想一想，其实真的是这样子啊。当你累的时候，你要丢一个球或者是去运动，你的表现就不会是这么的好。可是当你有足够的睡眠，然后有吃好的早餐，那你那天可能打球会打球的非常的棒。Alright? So later Amy says, look, it's 9:45. It's 9:45. So another way to say the time. So I'm going to ask you then, what is 9:45? All right. And then later, Max said, it's okay. The game starts at 10:30. And what time is that? Okay. So I'm going to ask you guys on Wednesday. Second part. All right. Ready? Get set. Go. It's great to play dodgeball when the weather is nice. I like playing when it's cold too. Do you play when it's snowing? No, I go skiing when it's snowing. How about when it's raining hard? No, I stay home when it's raining hard. Me too. All right. So there are a couple sentences here too. I like playing when it's cold too. 就是我也很喜欢打 dodgeball. 你们知道 dodgeball 是什么吗？我礼拜三也会问你们哦。Alright, when it's cold. 我天气冷的时候也很喜欢打。Okay, so do you play when it's snowing? No, I go skiing when it's snowing. So skiing. Alright, so I personally don't really like skiing because I tried it before and it was very hard for me to stay up on my feet. I kept falling down. So if you guys love to ski, good for you. Teacher Sue doesn't like skiing. And I don't like to fall. So that's why. All right. So section D, these 4 questions will be homework. 今天的功课有一点点多，是因为我觉得我们礼拜五我花了还蛮多时间，就是你们订正你们的那个 quiz， 然后还有 workbook，and then we had the test too。所以今天的功课有 Spotlight Reading Book 的那个 adjective 的 grammar part，and then do the next 3 pages the GEPT one， 还有 Student Book 的 page 31 section D。Section D. So please answer these questions. For example, number 1, what time is it? Okay, go look for the time. Go look for the time. All right, so please do that. So the last thing that I wanted to share with you is a couple of videos I made outside of school. Okay, what does Teacher Sue do outside of school? So I love to exercise, as you know, so I'm going to share with you what I do. I'm not very good at it, but I guess this takes practice. If I, do it every day, I'm sure I'll get better. Yeah, 我又用比较级了, yee! Okay, I'm sure I'll get better. So enjoy those last 3 videos that I'm going to show you. Okay, so that is it for the video today. For now, this is Teacher Sue, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Hi, boys and girls. If you're wondering what I do after work, well, here's something that I would like to share with you. You guys probably do this too, so let's see how do I say this in English. I'm going to demonstrate. Oh my God, I slipped. Here we go. Before I got caught. All right, take 2, my second try. Here we go. Hopefully this is better. Ready? Cross. Oh, got caught again. All right, take 3. I guess I'm not very good at this. Hit myself with the rope. Ah. 我来挑战看我可不可以转2圈。I guess I need to practice more.